Let's talk about a mistake that quietly sabotages your garden, leaving your soil bare. Bare soil isn't tidy, it's exposed, stressed, and leads to smaller harvests. The sun bakes it, water evaporates, and you end up watering constantly with little effect. Rain runs off, taking precious topsoil and nutrients with it. Roots suffer from wild swings in moisture and temperature, making plants weak. Bare soil also loses its living ecosystem. Microbes die, fertility drops, and nutrients leach away. The solution? Wood chip mulch. Mulch locks in moisture, shields from temperature extremes, and protects the life in your soil. It's a simple fix that transforms your garden's health. Don't leave your soil exposed, cover it and let nature work for you. Your plants will thank you with bigger, healthier harvests. In nature, you never see bare earth. Forests always cover the ground with leaves and wood. This natural mulch insulates, holds moisture, and feeds the ecosystem as it breaks down. By spreading wood chips, you're copying the forest's wisdom. Mulch shields soil from sun and rain, prevents erosion, and keeps moisture where roots need it. It creates a stable, cool environment for plants and beneficial creatures. Earthworms and microbes thrive under mulch, improving soil structure and fertility. Mimic nature. Cover your soil, invite life back in, and watch your garden flourish. A living soil is the secret to explosive growth. Applying wood chip mulch is easy, but a few rules matter. Always mulch on moist soil. Water first if it's dry. Spread chips 4 to 6 inches thick for best results. Never mix chips into the soil. Keep them on top to avoid robbing plants of nitrogen. Leave a small gap around plant stems to prevent rot and pests. That's it. Water, spread, and pull chips back from stems. This low-maintenance system saves you time and boosts your garden's health. Mulch once or twice a year and enjoy a resilient, productive garden. Once mulched, your soil stays moist and cool. Watering needs drop dramatically. Earthworms move up, aerating and fertilizing the soil for you. You'll spot white mycelium, beneficial fungi breaking down wood and feeding your plants. Boost this ecosystem with a simple compost tea. Steep finished compost in water, then pour it over the mulch. Over time, chips decompose into rich compost right on the surface. This slow-release nutrition fuels healthy, vigorous plants. You're not just growing plants, you're cultivating living soil. That's the foundation for abundant harvests year after year. Mulching is a long game. Moisture benefits are instant, but true soil transformation takes time. By year 2 or 3, you'll see darker, crumbly, worm-filled soil and thriving plants. Use only untreated, safe wood chips, never from painted or toxic wood. Avoid chips from black walnut and don't pile mulch too thick. 4 to 6 inches is perfect. Keep mulch on the surface and away from stems to prevent rot. Watch your soil come alive. More worms, healthier plants, fewer weeds. Healthy soil comes from protection, not disturbance. Put away the tiller, pick up the mulch fork, and let nature do the work. Try it. Never leave your soil bare again. Your garden will reward you with health and abundance you never thought possible.